Hello world, welcome back to my channel. My name's Paul. We're all loaded, ready to go. This is where I stayed in Leh, the 16 Arahat guest house. I can't recommend them enough. Great bunch of people, really comfortable rooms, about $20 a night. This last week's been unbelievable, guys. Manali to Leh, Kardong La. I'm hoping it's not all over yet. We're on our way to Srinagar. We'll get as far as Kargil today, I think. But hopefully there's still a bit of mountain riding to go. But let's go and find out. And I came out of my way a bit, guys. It's Leh just down there. This is an ancient village built up on the hill. I thought that there is an information plaque there, guys. Let me just have a quick look. This is all part of the Spituk monastery, built in the 1300s. Amazing, guys. I think this is where the Dalai Lama came when he visits, which he does every now and again. It's the airport just there, Leh in the background. Anyway, guys, I'm going to start heading to Kargil. What a day. Look at where I am, guys. I'm so lucky to be able to do this. And having said that, guys, I'm very quickly running out of money. So go to the website. There's a link to the website in the description. Buy a copy of my book, an e-book all about my youth hitchhiking around Australia. It's called Sex, Drugs and the Long Black River, so that'll give you an idea what the book's like. Guys, I don't want this to end. And more than that, I don't want to be doing it on my own anymore. I want to be able to afford to have Janet with me, or at least have her meeting me places up the road. So yeah, guys, go and buy a copy of the book. Now, there's a couple of rocks blocking the entrance to this road, but as you can see, there's cars going past. I think that's the stock trucks coming in here, because it is a bit of a hairy road. So let's go and have some fun. Now, I went by mistake, I went past this and I went up there, and Google Maps showed me a way up there on the good road. But why would I do the good road when I can do something like this? Yeehaw! If it wasn't for this bitumen, this is like something out of a Western PlayStation 2 game I used to play. I just had some breakfast. Look where I stopped. Oh guys, I love it up here. The whole, since leaving New Delhi, you know, once you get 100 kilometers out of New Delhi, everything changes. It becomes just friendly, happy people. Beautiful spot. I'm having the best time. And everyone's so friendly up here, guys. I've already made some friends in Srinagar, and the young bloke here is a bit shy for the camera. Say hello.
Hello.
What a day, guys. Really enjoying this morning. It's still only just on 10 o'clock. I was just, for the last hour maybe, I had a car that we were sitting on about 70 or 80, and they'd pass me and I'd follow them for a bit, then I'd pass them, and it made this last hour just so much fun. But they stopped in this village. But look at this, guys. Unbelievable. Wow, I can't stop. But look at this, guys. Unbelievable. Janet's been so patient with me, letting me flit around the world like this, and she's starting to lose her patience a bit. I'm not surprised, because it's been about a year and a half. Look at this, guys. Thank you so much, baby, for letting me do this. Look where I am. Look at this ancient village, guys. Unbelievable. I've got to stop saying unbelievable. I need a new word. Look at this. Wow, look at the village from here, guys. Really incredible. This would be hundreds and hundreds of years old, if not 1,000. Just unbelievable. And look, there's caves in the rocks there. I wonder if people lived in there. I just stopped for a quick soda water, a couple of Panadol. These backpackers are they're out on the lookout. climbing the fence over this cliff, but yeah, there's a little look out there. He wants to get some photos of his girlfriend. Oh, what a day, guys. There's one of the drivers taking the backpackers up the hill. And the people that you meet in the mountains, guys. These are, sorry, I didn't get your names.
It's Kevin.
Kevin.
Michelle.
Kevin and Michelle, that's easy to remember.
Yes.
And what's your name?
Ginger.
Ginger.
Yeah.
Okay, guys. Anyway, I'm going to get some more miles up. Enjoy your trip.
Yeah, thank you. Safe ride.
I hope you can see this, guys, in the GoPro the same way I'm seeing it. That jagged, snowy mountain over there, these jagged mountains here. Wow, really wow. They said there's another famous pass just up here. So we should be there. We've been going uphill pretty much non-stop since then. Should be. Sorry, just had to let them go past. We should be going over this pass pretty soon. Well, maybe not. Look at this. Guys, come and ride northern India. Northwestern India. I was wrong about that pass being close. We keep just getting higher and higher. What a day, guys. It's another hour and 45 minutes to Kargil. Guys, now we're on Fotala Top, which is the highest point on the Srinagar road. And this is only 13,500 feet, so it's nothing really. But look where we are. A whole lot of fellow bikers here. Just had to stop at the same time, but they're going the other way towards Manali, where I've come. Look at this, guys, unbelievable. And yes, I'm going to try and stop saying unbelievable, find a new word. I'm having an amazing day, as you can probably tell. And this is the third time today I've stopped talking to people, so I'm going to get there eventually. It's only about an hour and a half left to go. Those three guys just told me I've got some incredible riding ahead of me. I'm so excited. I'm so happy doing this since Manali, guys. Come and ride northeast India. Guys, I just saw a sign to the invisible village, and I hope you can see it on the GoPro. But there's a village built into the mountains up here that be thousands of years old, guys. Just amazing. Yeah. There's a sign to a museum, but the signs all come apart and there's nothing. So I'm pretty sure if I was to ride up there, it's all going to be closed, because you can see the sign here. It's not like it's Anyway, guys, I'm going to keep on going, but I hope you can see that on the GoPro. I was a little worried about petrol, but these guys in front of me are going to take me to some petrol. There's another pass just there. I didn't stop. It was packed with people. I was just going to keep going until I came around this bend, and look at this. Snow capped there, these rugged, jagged mountains. What a day, guys. Yeah, as soon as we came over the pass, it's got a bit cooler, so I just pulled over to put my shirt on. Dead silence. Unbelievable. Just incredible. You can hear a dog barking, but the dog might be miles away because it's just so quiet here. No stress about fuel. I've never even come close to running out. Litres in there, so I still had another 15 to go. I just worried too much. The old guy standing there at the back with the brown jacket by himself. I just knocked him on his ass. He walked out straight in front of me. He's fucked up my mirrors. Oh no, that's alright. But yeah, I came back, made sure he was alright, but he's alright. But it was 100% his fault. 100%. Guys, this is where I'm going to stay tonight. Just looking for a hotel. I don't want to go through booking.com because that's their normal prices, where you get some amazing, because it's off season, you get it for about quarter of the price sometimes. So I'm going to actually look for a hotel this time instead of booking online. Morning, all packed ready to go, do the second half of this trip. Yesterday when I arrived, I found two hotels that had parking advertised, but when I got there it was street parking, in the middle of these sketchy roads, streets, and it probably would have been safe, but I ended up coming to this place, which was about, with the off-season discount, was about 35 US for the night, which is a bit, but I had a great sleep, amazing sleep. Good food, had a really good dinner, good breakfast, and she was nice and safe. So now let's hit the road and go to Srinagar. That's a raging river, guys. There's a lot of water going through there. Back where my hotel is, there's a little dam. I'm not sure whether it's hydroelectric or whether it's just to control the water coming to keep the downriver safe, but it's really raging here. Wow, it's so blue. There must be some sort of minerals in there to make it that bluey-green colour. Guys, I'm so lucky. I don't really need fuel yet, but I don't know when the next fuel station will be, so I'll fill up and I don't have to stress so much this afternoon. And we're just under an hour in. Stopped for a quick chai. Looks like lots of other people have got the same idea. A few bikes all loaded up. This is the Kargil War Memorial. Pretty important. The army up here, because China's that way, Pakistan's that way, the army's very, very important up here. Here's some of the guys here, hello. And yeah, so the War Memorial is a pretty big deal. Guys, I've got a big ride today, so I'm not going to go in there, but I did want to show you it from the outside. Look at this little village in the mountains, guys. And we think some people in Australia complain about how hard they've got it. And here's another war memorial, guys. Just unbelievable. Army everywhere here. All day there's been jets flying overhead. Well, not all day, but there's been about 3 or 4 that have scared the hell out of me. What a day, guys. What a day. So now we're at the Vijayak Zojila Pass. It's only 11,000 feet, so it's nothing compared to the others we've been on, but this is a pretty popular pass. And the hotel I stayed at was called the Zojila Hotel, so that explains the name of the hotel. They talk about Manali to Leh is a really famous ride, but when I was first researching this like 5 years ago, I couldn't even find any information if doing from Leh to Srinagar was possible. But yeah, guys, add this to your list. If you're doing Manali to Leh, add this to your list. Look at this road, guys. The next 20 minutes or so, we'll be getting down to the valley floor. Follow the river along. I don't want to get caught in that water crossing with a car coming across and me having no choice where to cross. And I've stopped and talked to more people in this last few days than I have anywhere. What was your name again, my friend?
Arun.
Arun, this is Arun. Look at this, guys. Like somewhere in Switzerland. But I'm going to keep on going, Arun. It was good meeting you, my friend.
Yeah, thank you so much, and same to you. Yeah. Okay, hi guys. Hello from Australia, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Well, hopefully people watching me from all over the world, but
okay.
Yeah. See you, my friend.
Okay.
Looking at everything here, guys. This is the Zolija tunnel project. So all that last maybe hour I've done since we stopped at the Zojila Pass. This will just cut straight through that, so it'll take 10 minutes instead of the hour and a bit that it just took me. All morning it's looked like the Scottish Highlands. Now it looks like Switzerland, guys. What a ride. This is a well-kept secret. Ladakh needs to advertise this ride more because it's just incredible. And we've even got some Scottish thistle looking plants here. Anyway, I'm going to get some more miles up. I just had a cup of tea with these guys here. Half of the Indian Army today. I hope I'm not riding into a war. You guys can see it, but there's someone on top of that bus pointing a rifle right between the eyes. God, it's been about an hour of this. Oh. I'm going to a really good hotel to see what deal they'll give me with off-season. Cross your fingers for me, guys, because I want to be comfortable. But there's plenty of decent hotels, so if that doesn't work, I'll find somewhere. And like I said in the last video, or maybe this one, I can't remember, but normally I'd book online. but because it's off season, book online, you get the normal price. Off season, last night I got about 40% off, I think. Plus they threw in breakfast. And guys, this is where I'm staying. It is parked up nicely. This is the Mirage Hotel in Srinagar, and they gave me about 50% off and threw in breakfast, so I'm happy. It's a really comfortable room. But for now guys, I've got plenty of footage to make a video, tons of footage. So if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that Mad Dog icon up there or the subscribe button down below. May as well hit that bell icon while you're down there. I always try and respond to your comments, so leave a comment, give me a big thumbs up, share this video everywhere you can. We'll see you in the next one.